student. Good morning. Now today I have bring new concept for you. Okay? Today we are going to learn tall and short. What is the meaning of tall? Tall means greater in height and short means small in height. Okay? So I will show you some example. So look at the blackboard. I have drawn two trees on blackboard. Now trees are same but they are looking different. Now we have to search which is tall and which is short. So this is tall tree. Which tree? Tall tree. Okay. Why this is tall, student? Because his height is greater in tallest. Greater in tallest. That's why this tree is tall. Okay. Now next tree. This tree is short. Why short? Because this tree is small. This tree is tall and this tree is short. Tall, short. Tall, short. Okay. Now look at this picture. One is tall building and another is short building. Now why this is tall? Because building height is greater. क्या है? बिल्डिंग की हाइट जो है टॉल है. ग्रेटर इन टॉल हाइट. सो दिस इज टॉल बिल्डिंग एंड दिस इज शॉर्ट बिल्डिंग. व्हाई इट इज शॉर्ट? क्यों शॉर्ट है? क्योंकि ये स्मॉल है. दिस बिल्डिंग इज स्मॉल. सो दिस इज शॉर्ट बिल्डिंग. दिस इज टॉल, short. Tall, short. Okay, student. Now I will show you more examples. Okay. These are two trophies. Okay. One is tall trophy and another is short trophy. Okay. This tall trophy is greater in height. क्या ये हाइट में टॉल है. So this trophy is greater in height. Okay. Now this trophy is small in height. So this is short trophy. This is short and this is tall. This is tall trophy and this is short trophy. Now these are two beads. Okay, how many beads? Two beads. This is tall beads and this is short beads. Okay, this bead is tall. Why this is tall? Because his height is greater. Okay. So this is called tall beads and this height is short. So this is short beads. Tall beads, short beads. Tall beads, short beads. Okay. Now student, these are two logs I have. Okay. One is the tall log and another is short log. Why this is tall? You tell me. Because this log is greater in height. इसकी हाइट क्या है, ज्यादा है, और इसके हाइट क्या है, कम है. सो दिस इज शॉर्ट लॉग. स्मॉल लॉग. दिस इज tall. This is short. Tall log, short log. Tall log, short log. Okay. Now I will show you last example. These are toy rings. Okay. Now student, you tell me which is tall and which is short. Yes, this is tall ring and this is short ring. Why this is short? Because, yes, because this ring height is small. That's why this is short. Okay, and this toy ring is tall because his height is greater. Okay. Now this is tall ring. This is short ring. Tall, short. Tall, short. Now we are going to do with hand. Okay. Tall, short. Tall, short. Tall, short. Now I will show you examples and we are going to do an activity in Maths IMAX book. Okay, so let's go. Now student, we are going to doing activity in Maths IMAX book. Okay, now open the book, page number 11. Okay, now tall and short. Point to the pictures, say which object is tall and which object is short. Now these are some pictures. Okay, this is building. This is tall building and this is short building. Okay, so this is tall and this is short. These are two ladder. Okay, this is tall ladder and this is short ladder. Now these are two tree. Now student, you tell me which is tall and which is short. This is tall tree and this is short tree. Okay. Now these are two giraffe. This is tall giraffe and this is short giraffe. Now turn the page. Page number 12. Find the tall ladder. Take the ladder that will help you reach to top of the building. So this is the top of the building and these are two ladder. Okay, we have to take, what we have to take? We have to take tall ladder, means which is tall ladder and which is short ladder. So we have to take only tall ladder. So we have to reach on top of the building. We have to reach here. हमें यहाँ पहुँचना है. किससे पहुँचना है? सीढ़ी से. तो हम कौन सी सीढ़ी यूज करेंगे? Which ladder we will use? Tall or short? If we use short ladder, then what happened? We will reach on top of the building. अगर हमने short ladder यूज किया तो हम टॉप बिल्डिंग के टॉप के ऊपर पहुंचेंगे क्या? We will reach there? No. Okay, so we will take the picture of tall ladder. Okay, so now we have to tick here in box. Then we will reach on top of the building. So we take the picture of tall ladder. Okay, now next page, page number 13. Mark tall and short objects. Okay, tick the objects which are tall and cross the object which are short. Okay, now this is ostrich bird. Okay, and this is hen. Now which is tall and which is short? Ostrich is tall bird. Okay, so we have to take mark like this, and hen is short, so we have to cross like this. Now next picture is, this is short tree and this is tall tree. Okay, now again you say, children, which is tall and which is short? This is, yes, this is short tree and this is tall tree. So we have to take the picture tall like this, correct picture. Okay, and short tree we have to cross. Now next, this is giraffe and this is goat. Now student, which is tall and which is short? Giraffe is tall animal. Okay, and goat animal is short animal. We compare both them. हमने दोनों को compare किया. दोनों तो animal ही है, लेकिन which is tall and which is short? कौन सा ऊंचा वाला है और कौन सा छोटा वाला है? So giraffe is tall animal. So we have to tick the picture. And goat is short animal. We compare giraffe with giraffe. Okay, हमने compare किया. जिराफ से छोटा कौन है? गोट. और गोट से बड़ा कौन है? जिराफ. ओके, नाउ नेक्स्ट पिक्चर. दिस इज बॉय एंड दिस इज गर्ल. ओके, गर्ल इज टॉल एंड बॉय इज शॉर्ट. ओके, दोनों में कंपैरिजन देखो. गर्ल क्या है? ऊंची है यानी टॉल है, और बॉय क्या है? गर्ल के कंपेयर में स्मॉल है यानी शॉर्ट है. ओके, सो वी हैव टू क्रॉस शॉर्ट बॉक्स एंड girl is tall, so we have to tick the picture. Okay student, so I hope you understand the meaning of tall and short. So you also search some object at your home and compare which is tall and which is short. Okay student, bye bye.